Hey, and welcome back to Master of None. Today we're going to make a fermentation jar. It's the one we used in the last video to make a fermented hot sauce. This jar needs to release CO2 and not let any oxygen back inside. Alright, let's get into it. You're going to need a drill, a mason jar, check valves from your local fish shop, and cyanoacrylate super glue. We're going to use Kate today for our jar. And it's important to make sure that Kate's lid has a silicone seal around the inside. We're going to drill a 6mm hole into Kate's lid to fit our check valve. Remove the burrs from the inside of the lid with your fingers or some pliers. Now the hole's been drilled, we're going to apply some super glue to secure our check valve. In this case, less is more. You need to make sure the inside of the check valve is facing down. This will enable Kate's release of CO2. Rotating the valve as you press it in will create the best seal. And for good measure, we're going to place some glue on the inside of the lid. I hope this video makes it easier for you to get into fermentation. Thanks for watching Master of None, and as always, don't go chasing waterfalls.